Grow What You Eat collab 2026. This is Davis Farmstead, and I'm down between my two high tunnels, and I have raised beds between them where I grow my carrots. And this year I'm going to try to grow some beets in there. I'm going to grow, this first one I'm going to set out as Boro F1. And I've got a third of the bed here. I've got a 10-foot bed right here. I'll show you this there. Started some carrots last fall, and I thought they were dead. And they've come back, I believe. And just got through weeding half of them. But these are from last fall. I think they're gonna go. This got crisp. They're crispy and all that, so I think they're gonna be all right. So this back part back here, this third, I'm gonna put some beets here. And then my first raised bed over here, I'm gonna put some more carrots. Then next week I'll put some more carrots, and then next week I'll put some more carrots. And how many raised beds I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 4-footers and another 10. So I'm gonna be putting carrots. And I got another variety of beets I'm gonna try in one of these. I'm gonna do that next week, and then I'm gonna try some in the field. All right. So I'm gonna get these laid out and we'll start the planting. So I've already worked this bed, and I've actually put a little fertilizer in it too. Look, there's some beet seeds from last year that didn't come up. I put 5 rows here. I think that's too much. So I'm gonna go 4 rows, I think. I think I'm gonna go 3 rows. How's that? It's about too windy to be doing this, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Normally I would water these in too, and same for the carrots, but it's coming pretty good rain tonight, so I'm not gonna put any water on them. I'll check them in the morning, and the carrots especially, because usually after I plant them, I check them at least 2 to 3 times a day until they come up. So let's go over to this other one, and I'll see what kind of carrots I've got. Now I've already got my rows laid out over here, and I already fertilized. The type of carrots I'm gonna plant are called Little Finger. And this is 4 ounces. And you see, good Lord, this is a big old bag. And I think we grew these pretty good. I can't remember if these over here are Little Finger or Bolero. But our main carrots are gonna be, I can't get to that gun pack open. Our main carrots are going to be Mokum. Mokum's our favorite carrot, and it grows really good in these beds. At least it did last year. So we had great carrots last year, first time ever. And in 20 years I've been trying to grow carrots. Finally moved over here to fix these up, and grow in here, and done really well. They did really well. You can't believe all the carrots we got just out. We just did 3 beds, and we did some Little Fingers, we did some Mokum, and we did some Bolero. And the Mokum did the best, so. And I got some of those, and that'll be the next planting. But I want to plant some of these since I got so many of them. I got these planted, and don't you just love resealable seed bags? Best thing in the world ever been invented. Those paper ones, you fold down and they never stay closed. So anyway, I love these. All right, Tenny. Generally come from your higher end seed companies. This come from Rupp. All right, that's let me think. That's the first seeds I've actually put in the actual ground. Well, can you call raised beds the ground, actual ground? I don't know if you can or not. So, well, that's the first seeds planted not in the greenhouse. Let's put it that way, out in the wild. All right, you can see kind of some storm clouds coming. So I'm not even gonna put water in them, it'll get oversaturated, I believe. And I got to do some weeding around them beds. I need to do that pretty quick. I'll do that tomorrow. All right, appreciate you watching. Grow what you eat 2026. I think this is my third video in the series, so I appreciate you watching. Go check everybody else's out. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down in the farm next video.